Okay, let us start with the sixth sum. And the question is the total cost of 5 books. It is 5 books. Now, students, please make in few textbook it would be 6 book. It is not 6 book. Cancel that 6, make it 5. The total cost of 5 book and 7 pen is 79 rupees, and the total cost of 7 book and 5 pen is 77 rupees. Find the cost of 1 book and 2 pen. So here we have started with the assumption, let the cost of 1 book be rupees X and the cost of 1 pen be rupees Y according to first given condition. According to first given condition. Now, according to first given condition, they have the first line is the total cost of 5 book and 7 pen. एक book का X, तो 5 book का 5X. Total मतलब we will add. एक book का Y, तो 5 books का कितना? So 5 books का 5X plus 1 pen is Y. 7 pen 7Y. So 5X plus 7Y. The total cost is 79 rupees. We will mark it as equation number 1. In few textbooks, they have given different things. I want now all the students will write जैसा मैंने लिखा है इधर. Once I finish the sum, once I unmute you, tell me that what is given in your textbook. Till now, जो मैं लिख रही हूँ वो लिखो. So this is the first equation. We'll underline first equation. The next is according to second given condition. According to second given condition. What is the second condition? The cost of 7 book, 1 book का X, तो 7 book का 7X, and 5 pen, 1 pen का Y, तो 5 pen का 5Y, equal to the total cost. So hence हमने add किया is equal to 77. Equation number 2. Look at both the equations. What type of equations are they? The opposite coefficients are equal. Opposite coefficient. See here x के साथ 5 है, इधर y के साथ 5 है, y के साथ 7 है, x के साथ 7 है. So how to solve such type of sum? The method is A, D, S, D, A. Now few students ask me, ये A, D, S, D, A से solve करना जरूरी है क्या ऐसा टाइप का सम? हम इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट से नहीं solve कर सकते क्या? For example, अगर मुझे नहीं करना है ABCD and I want to make the x का term exactly equal, can I do like this? Can I multiply the entire equation 1 by 7? And can I multiply entire equation 2 by 5? So I will get here 35x, 35x. Then by subtracting, I can solve it, right? So the answer is yes, you can do in that way also. Compulsory नहीं है. But the thing is ना, अभी ये तो number बहुत छोटा है. Suppose we have a very big number. For example, exercise में एक sum था ना 99x के साथ. So there we had 2-digit number. So if we have a very big number 99, or for example 252, 265x, 289x, so it's very difficult, time consuming. It is not difficult, it is time consuming to multiply both the equation with 2-digit into 2-digit, है ना? So in that type of sum where we have very big numbers, 2-digit number या 2 digits से ज़्यादा number, this method makes the sum easy. ADSDA. So we are going to follow ADSDA. If you don't want to follow, you want to make x equal, y equal, you can do that, students. So here we are going for ADSDA, adding equation 1 and 2. ADSDA सिर्फ वहाँ applicable होता है जहाँ opposite numbers same होते हैं. Adding equation 1 and 2. Now when we add, what we get? 5x plus 7y equal to 79, and 7x plus 5y equal to 77. Let us add. So we get 5 plus 7, that is 12x, 7 plus 5, that is 12y, and 79 plus 77. It's 156. So therefore, next step, what is the common number here? The common number we have is 12. X और Y के साथ common number क्या है? Common number 12 है. So what we will do dividing throughout by 12. Whatever is the common. Our A is over. ADSDA का A हमने किया. अभी हम लोग D करने वाले. That is dividing by the common factor. So we are doing dividing throughout by the common number, that is 12. Dividing throughout by 12. 12 से throughout divide किया तो हमको मिलता है x plus y equal to 156 divided by 12 is what? 156 divided by 12 is 13. So we get here 13. We'll mark this as the third equation, number 3. Next step, our ADSDA A over D over, now we'll solve S, that is subtracting. Subtracting equation 1 from 2 या 2 from 1. Subtracting equation. थोड़ा सा लॉजिक यूज करने का इधर, बिफोर वी राइट 1 from 2, 2 from 1. देखो एडिंग करने से क्या मिला हमको? x प्लस y मिला, बराबर. तो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग से हमको क्या मिलना चाहिए? x माइनस y मिलना चाहिए. तो मतलब y के साथ मुझे माइनस चाहिए. y के साथ माइनस कब आएगा? जब y का बिगर नंबर को माइनस होगा. हम ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद बड़ा नंबर का साइन देते हैं ना आंसर को, तो y का बड़ा नंबर के पास माइनस होना चाहिए. उस हिसाब से तुमको लिखने का है कि कौन सा इक्वेशन ऊपर लिखोगे, कौन सा नीचे लिखोगे. तो y का बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 7. उसका साइन हमको माइनस चाहिए. तो उसका साइन माइनस है क्या? नहीं, चेंज करना पड़ेगा. चेंज कौन से इक्वेशन का साइन होता है? ऊपर का इक्वेशन का है कि नीचे का इक्वेशन का? सब्ट्रैक्टिंग में तो नीचे का इक्वेशन का. तो सब में मुझे, तो हमको इक्वेशन 1 को नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा. तो ऊपर क्या आएगा? इक्वेशन 2. सो इट इज सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1 फ्रॉम 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. From के बाद 2 लिखा ना, तो we'll start from equation 2. Equation 2 क्या है? 7x plus 5y. अभी all these things ना, whatever I have explained you, it is not compulsory कि ऐसा ही follow करने का. You can do students anyhow. But the thing is, इससे एक दो step है ना, थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है, मतलब हमको direct answer मिल जाता है, जो चाहिए वो मिल जाता है हमको. 7x plus 5y equal to 77. And equation 1 is 5x plus 7y. 5x plus 7y equal to 79. Minus, sign change minus, sign change minus. Chalo, what we get? 7 minus 5, 2x. 5 minus 7, minus 2y. 77 minus 79, minus 2. So dividing throughout by the common number, that is 2. Dividing throughout by 2. When we divide throughout by 2, what we get? We get x minus y equal to minus 1. हर एक को 2 से डिवाइड किया, अपॉन 2 अपॉन 2 अपॉन 2. डिवीजन का स्टेप हमने दिखाया नहीं है इधर. इक्वेशन 4, विल अंडरलाइन इक्वेशन 4. तो इसका मतलब हमने ये सब्ट्रैक्टिंग का s भी किया, ADSD का s गया, d गया, बचा लास्ट में a. ये a का मतलब क्या होता है? ये थर्ड और फोर्थ इक्वेशन को ऐड करने का है. So our next step, adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. Okay, what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x plus y. X plus y equal to 13. Equation 4 is x minus y equal to minus 1. We will add it. So x plus x, 2x, plus y minus y cancel. 13 minus 1, 12. 2 is getting multiplied. उधर गया तो divide. 12 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 6. Substituting x is equal to 6 in third equation. That is the easy equation ना, x plus y. वैसे तो किस में भी, कौन से भी इक्वेशन में you can substitute. In equation 3. We'll first write that equation 3. That was x plus y equal to 13. So x का वैल्यू 6 प्लस y इक्वल टू 13 प्लस 6 उधर गया तो -6 so 13 minus 6 7 so y equals to 7. Our final answer. So what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find the cost of one book and two pen. One book and two pen. That means we have to add an answer. One book ka cost or two pen ka cost. We will add. So therefore, I'm going to the next page. Therefore, cost of one book. Cost of one book is equal to x, which is equal to x का वैल्यू क्या मिला हम लोग को 6. So ₹6 and cost of two pen. Cost of two pen. See what we are doing? We are showing the answer individually also and we will add also. Two pen is 2 into y. That is 2 multiplied by y का वैल्यू था 7. Which is 14. Therefore, total cost of one book and two pen is 6 plus 14. That is ₹20.